Good afternoon. My name is Jonathan Schweinberger, and I will be sharing with you a presentation on behalf of my colleagues and myself today. I will be sharing an overview of our snow removal business, Concierge Snow Service. In this quick presentation, you will learn about our business, our unique selling points, and what we have to offer to our customers. Have you ever faced a driveway full of snow and total frustration because you had to get somewhere immediately? Concierge Snow Service can help. Our 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week service will help you with your snow removal needs so you can access your driveway and sidewalks when you need to. The mission statement of Concierge Snow Service is timely snow removal so you can get where you need to when you need to. Specializing in services for seniors, disabled, and busy people in the central York region area. Let us remove your driveway snow. Let us remove your worries. This mission statement articulates the purpose of our organization and explains how we serve our customers. Concierge Snow Service cares for your driveway 24 hours per day, 7 days per week. We guarantee snow removal of your driveway, sidewalks, and windrows by 7 a.m. We also guarantee timely snow removal after the municipal snow plows have cleared your street so that your entire driveway is accessible. Additionally, we will provide a revisit to your property if snow greater than 5 centimeters in depth accumulates throughout the entire day. Finally, for an additional cost, we will respond within 2 hours for emergency services. Concierge Snow Service can solve many problems related to snow removal. We will satisfy your need of having a clear driveway, ensure that your property is revisited after the snow plow visits to ensure clear access to your driveway, and provide emergency services for last-minute needs. The unique selling points of Concierge Snow Service is that we will revisit your property upon additional snow accumulation of 5 centimeters or greater. This helps ensure that our customer's driveway stays clear throughout the day and are always accessible. This level of service separates Concierge Snow Service from its competitors by addressing a common complaint that the bottom of driveways are often inaccessible after municipal snowplows pass through a neighborhood. Our target market. Our primary customers are medium to high income individuals who are 65 years of age or older. Due to their age, they may find it difficult to perform everyday tasks that require physical force like plowing the snow off their driveway. Their disposable income will most likely put them in a position to pay for our services. Our secondary customers are busy families with medium to high income who are trying to balance work and family time. This group is 35 years of age and older, and due to their busy lives, they prefer to pay businesses to perform particular services for them to save time so that they can focus on aspects of their lives that are more important to them. Competition. Concierge Snow Removal faces competition from well-established companies located in the Greater Toronto Area. The direct competitors of Concierge Snow Removal Services includes MKL Snow Removal Services and Lawn Care in Woodbridge, Bradford Hills Landscape and Snow Removal located in the Bradford West Gwillimbury area, CK and LK Property Maintenance and Asphalt Sealing in Newmarket, Wow Snow Removal in Richmond Hill, and Snow Pro Markham. An analysis of the strengths and weaknesses of our competitors is as follows. MKL Snow Removal Services and Lawn Care located in Woodbridge. Their strengths is that they have affordable rates and they got a positive online reviews. However, they service people mainly in the Woodbridge and immediate surrounding area. We believe we can tap some into this market. However, mainly we're going to be focusing on the Newmarket, Aurora, and East Gwillimbury areas. Next, we got Bradford Hills Landscape and Snow Removal, located in the Bradford West Gwillimbury area. The strengths of this company include that they're a well-established customer base. They provide a variety of services and have very attractive offers. Weaknesses about this company. The primary service area is the Bradford West Gwillimbury area and to the north of that including Innisfil and Barrie. That's a weakness on their part because we're going to be tackling into the Newmarket, Aurora, and East Gwillimbury area and we will be covering mostly the central area of York region. Another weakness about this company is that they have limited guarantees regarding response times. A lot of negative reviews online of not having customers' needs fulfilled throughout the entire season. The next business on the list of our competitors are CK and LK Property Maintenance and Asphalt Sealing, located in Newmarket. Strengths of this company include well-established customer base and professional services. The weaknesses, however, they have limited staff and equipment. Wow Snow Removal, located in Richmond Hill. Their strengths include timely service offerings. The weaknesses, though, is they are a higher cost than their competitors, and they do have a lot of dissatisfied customer reviews online, as a lot of customers are stating that they have their needs unfulfilled, as there have been a lot of no-shows, and this is due to having such a large client base that this company is not able to take care of. Finally, we have Snow Pro Markham. Their strengths is that they have affordable rates and they have a large service area and customer base. However, negative reviews online show that they have poor communication with their clients and have a lot of unsatisfied customers. I believe we can tap quite into this market as well. Pricing. Our members will be charged $1,000 for an entire season. This covers up to 12 snow events per season. On the odd season that the snow events exceeds 12, we will charge every customer that's a member an additional $25 for each additional snow event after 12 snow events. We also have a non-member rate. For non-members who only want one-time snow removal services, we charge $120 per session. Where are we located? Our business is located and registered in Newmarket, Ontario. This is also where our equipment yard is located. Currently, our administration team works remotely in order to reduce costs in our first few years in business. However, we plan to locate our head office to a place in Newmarket, Ontario, close to our equipment yard. Service area. Our business provides snow removal services for the central York Region area, including Newmarket, Aurora, and East Gwillimbury. York Region is a high-income area that consists of mostly upper-middle-class households. Our management team predicts that our services will be affordable in this area and also in high demand. Skill set for careers in snow removal. You must be able to shovel snow and remove heavy snow in a safe manner. You also must be certified to operate snow removal equipment. Finally, you must possess verbal, written, and communication skills in order to interact with customers and ensure coworker safety. Requirements to be in snow removal services. 1. You must have a valid G license. 2. You must be able and willing to work outdoors in inclement weather. 3. Must be physically fit and able to lift up to 50 pounds. And 4. You also must have experience in operating heavy machinery. Here are the cash flow projection for the 2022 year. From our financial statements, we can see that our projected sales for the year 2022 is $123,250, located in the right-hand column of our cash flow projection. We expect this to grow gradually as we become established and known in the York region. Income statement for the year ending 2022 indicates that our revenues total $132,950 and our expenses total $199,100. The expenses include employee wages of $85,000, vehicle amortization of $30,000, vehicle maintenance of $18,600, and more. Our first year of business has resulted in a net loss of $66,150, but this is expected to improve immensely by the third year of operation, where we expect that we will be going into a net gain instead of a net loss. The balance sheet of the year 2022, ending December 31st, indicates total assets of $459,350 and total liabilities of $109,350. This is our balance sheet, and as you can see, our total assets equals our total liabilities and stakeholders' equity. Here's a list of our reference I would like to thank you on behalf of our team for your attention and consideration of utilizing our services.